Diamedica provides medical equipment, mainly anaesthesia and intensive care equipment, but specifically for low-income countries and disaster situations. Due to the locations that our equipment operates in, the equipment has to be, by design, easy to maintain with minimal resources. I think at the end of the training session, the delegates should have a better understanding of how the equipment works from a technical perspective. We decided to hold this one in Bristol at Engineers House. I think the benefits to the delegates of this course will be that they have a much better understanding of the equipment and will feel more confident in its use and more confident in providing further training for other people that are using the equipment. And certainly from a Diamedica perspective, from my perspective, I'm hoping to gain a much better understanding of what people think of our equipment and what they would like us to be looking at developing in the future.
It's a fantastic opportunity for both doctors and engineers to come together and to be able to talk and ask questions and discuss and dialogue about the Diamedica machines.
I wanted to learn more about Glostavent anesthesia machines because it interested me. I had worked with it before, but I didn't know much.
Our machines that we use in this country are wonderful, but they are totally dependent on electricity and oxygen and trained engineers, whereas Diamedica have developed equipment which can be looked after locally.
The training day is actually great. It's going into the details and it's also demonstrating the issues you are experiencing in the field. I think the whole value of training sessions like this is exactly that you get new knowledge that you can pass on to other people. Certainly there are people I know in Africa who, if they get the chance to get to the UK, would benefit from coming to a day like this to learn more.
Robert is excellent at talking to people at a level where everyone can understand.
Yeah, it has been enjoyable. I think I've learned a lot through the different trainers and also through the different people that I got to meet.
It's great to hear people who really know their stuff, and it's quite practical and it's hands-on, and yeah, it's been really enjoyable.
I would recommend this Diamedica training session because it gives you a chance to be hands-on with the equipment as well as having the explanations and the support.
I think the delegates have got a much better understanding of some of the products we do and the range of products we do. They may have seen one or two of the things we produce, but they haven't seen the whole range before. We now have another dozen champions out there. We'll be able to provide further training to other users in the field. So it's been extremely beneficial from the company's perspective.